A health alert tonight. Students and staff at a school in Whitefish Bay may have been exposed to a contagious disease over the past 2 weeks. Katie Crowther is live there with new details. Katie.
Carol, a student here at Cumberland Elementary School has pertussis, otherwise known as whooping cough. A letter went home to parents. For some of them, the most alarming part of all this is that the child who is sick was vaccinated for the disease.
It's alarming, surprising, and sometimes even a little scary. You do hear of those extreme cases, and you just hope that they don't hit your home.
The talk of the playground and soccer field is how to protect against pertussis.
I just think about what I should do to make sure my kids are safe.
Making sure we wash our hands really good.
We bring hand sanitizer in the car, and we have hand sanitizer in the backpack.
Children at Cumberland Elementary could have been in direct contact with the highly contagious bacterial disease. Like at any school, there's a lot of surfaces, railings, and door handles that could have been contaminated. Pertussis begins with cold-like symptoms and a bad cough, which is not relieved by over-the-counter medicine. Kids who have it may also have difficulty catching their breath. It's an illness many parents are just becoming aware of.
I didn't hear about it until I was a mom.
It seems like the last couple of years you hear about it more and more, and I'm not sure why, if the germs are more resistant right now.
Most kids are vaccinated for pertussis, but protection from the childhood vaccine fades over time.
There's no foolproof way to protect our kids 100%. We try to do our best.
And doctors can do a simple nasal swab to diagnose pertussis, and they say the best thing is to get on antibiotics early. Reporting live in Whitefish Bay, Katie Crowther, today's TMJ4.
Yeah, see your doctor right away. Thank you, Katie.